this is how you can catch the next big move on Algorand cryptocurrency using supply and demand imbalances. I'm going to use a big time frame. Okay, I'm going to use the weekly time frame, and if you stay until the end of the video, you're going to learn why we are waiting for price on Algorand to drop down there, although it could continue to rally. But this is what we are waiting for. Okay, most crypto traders gravitate toward intraday and scalping strategies, chasing quick profits while often ignoring these powerful imbalances like this one presented on the weekly time frame at around 113, 114. Sorry, 014, 0, yeah, more or less. But yet, the small money institutional players, the whales, the seasoned swing traders, the professional traders operate differently. They focus on other things, and they end up creating these imbalances, although they might not even be aware that this is what they are doing. So this is a combination of many things, this rally. But if you zoom out, okay, when we zoom out on Algorand cryptocurrency time frame, we can see this is the strongest impulse ever, I believe. Maybe together with this one back in 2021. But this strong impulse on the weekly time frame, which is also an imbalance, was created during November 2024, and the impulse ended at the beginning of 2024. The beginning of December 2024. Okay, so this offers a high probability trade setup with a calculated risk and substantial reward if it drops down there, because there is a lot of potential. So this is a great opportunity for Algorand. When these strong impulses happen, we wait for price to retrace, and the longer it takes, the stronger the reaction is going to be. So the strong rally took like about a month, and it's taken how long for now? Come on, I don't know why this is not working now. For now, it's 25 bars, 25 weeks. So that's quite a few months, okay? So the higher time frames matter a lot in crypto trading, well, in any market, to be honest. But most crypto traders are using like the smaller time frames, 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour. So while that can be effective, and you look at the smaller time frames, this reaction here, okay, this is an imbalance too, and the smaller time frame is trying to play out. So while this can be very effective, especially in crypto trading strategies, the intraday, it often can lead, okay, to overtrading and emotional decision making. When in contrast, when you are using the bigger time frames like this one on the weekly, it provides a clearer market structure and price action. The bigger the time frame, the higher is reliability, okay, and it shows major supply and demand imbalances which most crypto traders are unaware of, okay. So Algorand could continue to rally. We've got this impulse here, a strong obstacle, and it's been 3 weeks trying to drop. So this could continue to rally, but I've got an alert set down there. If that happens, there are similar setups on Ripple and other cryptocurrencies, like this one over there. It just didn't pull back down there, or XLM, Stellar, I believe. So some of them have already taken control and trying to play out, and this one hasn't taken control yet. Okay, these bigger timeframes reveal where whales and institutions place large trades, creating impulsive moves like this one, which is very strong. The rally was about almost 400% in just a month. So that means that there is a strong institutional buying down there. This cannot be created by retail traders like me, and even thousands like me. So ignoring these clues is akin to trading blind, you know. So this weekly demand down there, we're waiting for the pullback down there. This is a textbook sample of a solid and strong weekly imbalance demand level around 0.1380 more or less. So this zone sparked massive, okay, like I said before, bullish impulse with large ERC extended range candles. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. When that happens, we should expect this. And as I explained, instead of a line trading community a few months ago, we were expecting for that to happen and that is exactly what is going on. So such moves do not happen randomly. Okay, they are often the result of institution accumulation. Okay, so smart money is stepping in, okay, with big size, and these large players create imbalances like this one at 0, 13, 20 on Algorand. So what can we do about right now? Okay, obviously we have bullish bias, so you can use smaller time frames. Like I said before, we have this area of demand here that is trying to play out, and it could continue to rally. The thing is that on the monthly time frame, we've got a structure, okay, which is wider than the weekly. So sometimes when this happens, and this is the largest candlestick, I believe, ever, together with this one here back in 2021. So that can prevent, or could prevent, or is actually preventing Algorand from retracing and pulling back to the smaller time frame, and the weekly demand level is a smaller time frame, is inside the bigger structure on the monthly. So, and this is why it's just rallying without pulling back, and we could have Algorand not retracing down there in the short term and just continue to rally and provide us with a smaller time frame imbalances like this one on the daily or this one on the 1 hour, which is playing out. So, but this is it. I mean, what we should not do is chasing trades. So this is the next move on Algorand. If it drops down there, or if it continues to rally, we should be spotting new demand levels. Okay, so just try, never chase the move. Wait for price to return to reorigin, as we are always expecting. And this is where smart money enter the market. So patience allows you to ride these movements created by whales. So, and like I said the other day, I mean, Uniswap, we had these strong imbalances on the monthly. Well, like this one, sorry. I don't know why this. Okay, we have these demand here on the monthly. We've got another demand level on the monthly down there. And on the daily, we are waiting for the pullback down there. But it's not happening yet. But we're still waiting. Okay, so we just have to wait. Patience is key. Okay, so combining crypto swing trading strategies with bigger time frames and even smaller time frame strategies on cryptos can provide us with quite a few profits. Okay, so be patient and it will pay off. That's for sure. So let's see if Algorand retraces down there or it provides us with new setups. Have a great day.